How to install Claude in Excel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude in Excel step by step. This is the fastest way to bring AI directly into your spreadsheets, so you can analyze data, debug formulas, and clean messy data without leaving Excel. If you spend hours trying to understand complex spreadsheets, chasing formula errors, or manually cleaning data, Claude for Excel will completely transform your workflow. Claude doesn't just answer questions about your data. It reads your actual cells, understands your formulas, and can even help you modify them while keeping all your dependencies intact. Let's get started with the installation. Before we begin, make sure you meet these basic requirements. You need Excel 2016 or later. This includes Excel on Windows or Mac if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, or Excel on the web. You need a Claude account with a paid plan. That's Pro at $20 a month, Max at $100 per month, Team or Enterprise. The free Claude plan does not support this add-in. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Open Microsoft Excel. On Windows, look at the top ribbon and click the Home tab. You'll see a button labeled Add-ins. Click it. On Mac, the menu is different. Click the Tools menu at the top of your screen, then select Add-ins. Click it. Once you've opened the Add-ins menu, you'll see an option to search the Office Store or Microsoft Marketplace. In the search box, type Claude by Anthropic for Excel. Make sure you're searching the official Microsoft Marketplace, not a third-party source. The official add-in is published directly by Anthropic. Claude by Anthropic for Excel will appear in your search results. Click on it. You'll see a button labeled Get It Now or Install. Click it. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Confirm or Accept. Excel will begin downloading and installing the add-in. This takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, a success message will appear. Close this dialog. Now you need to activate the add-in within Excel. On Windows, go to Home and look for the Claude add-in in your ribbon. On Mac, go to Tools, then Add-ins, and look for Claude. Click on Claude to activate it. The Claude sidebar will appear on the right side of your Excel window. On your first use, you'll see a sign-in prompt. Click Sign In and enter your Claude account credentials. These are the same username and password you use for Claude AI. If you don't have a Claude account yet, visit claude.com and create one. Remember, you need a paid plan for this to work. After signing in, Claude will ask you to select which AI model you want to use. Two models are available. Sonnet 4.5 is the recommended choice for most users. It's fast and cost-efficient, perfect for data analysis, formula creation, and quick questions. Opus 4.6 is the more powerful model. Use it for complex financial models, multi-sheet analysis, and when you need deeper reasoning about your data. Most people start with Sonnet and switch to Opus only when they need it. Before you use Claude for the first time, click the Settings icon in the Claude sidebar and look for an Instructions field. Here you can add context about your spreadsheet conventions. For example, you could write, "Always preserve formulas when making changes. My company uses fiscal year July to June. Use only green for positive values and red for negative values." These instructions help Claude understand your standards without you having to repeat them every time. Once everything is set up, you can quickly open Claude inside Excel without clicking through menus. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Option plus C. This instantly opens the Claude sidebar no matter what sheet you're on. Now that Claude is installed, start by asking questions about your spreadsheet. Select some data and ask Claude questions like, "What's the average value in this range?" or "Find any duplicate entries," or "Create a SUMIF formula." You can ask Claude to explain your formulas, diagnose errors like hash ref or hash value, clean and standardize data, or suggest which type of chart would best visualize your data. Claude for Excel supports standard cells, formulas, and charts. However, it does not currently support Excel macros, VBA code, or Visual Basic for applications. If your spreadsheet relies on macros, Claude won't see or modify them. The add-in works with .xlsx and .xlsm files. Old Excel formats like .xls won't work. Excel 2016 and 2019 perpetual licenses are not supported. You need Excel with a Microsoft 365 subscription. If you're an IT administrator deploying Claude for your organization, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to Settings, then Integrated Apps, then Add-ins. Search for Claude by Anthropic for Excel and deploy it organization-wide or to specific groups. Share these installation instructions with your team members. You now know how to install Claude in Excel in less than 5 minutes. You understand which AI model to choose for different tasks. You know how to sign in and configure Claude for your workflow. Claude is now ready to analyze your data, create formulas, debug errors, and transform how you work with spreadsheets. If this tutorial helped you get Claude installed and running, please like this video and subscribe for more Excel and productivity tips. Comment below and tell me what your first Claude in Excel task will be. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new AI spreadsheet assistant. This script is based on Claude for Excel being available to Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans as an add-in that integrates Claude into the Excel workflow. The installation process reflects the method of going to Microsoft Marketplace, searching for Claude by Anthropic for Excel, selecting Get It Now, and then launching Excel to open the add-in via Home, add-ins on Windows, or Tools, add-ins on Mac. The model options and limitations are based on Claude for Excel being available with Sonnet 4.5 for faster tasks and Opus 4.6 for complex financial models. With the March 2026 update adding shared context between Excel and PowerPoint,